Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to analyze large documents with Claude using the 200K plus token strategy. One of Claude's biggest advantages is its large context window, which allows it to work with extremely long documents that would be difficult for many other AI tools to handle. Whether you're reviewing a research paper, business report, contract, ebook, technical manual, or collection of documents, using the right prompting strategy can dramatically improve the quality of the analysis you receive. The first step is to upload your document to Claude. Once the file has finished processing, don't immediately ask a complicated question. Instead, start with a broad overview prompt like, read this entire document and provide a detailed summary. Include the main topics, key findings, important conclusions, and any major recommendations. This gives you a solid understanding of the document before moving into deeper analysis. Next, ask Claude to create a structured breakdown. You can use a prompt such as, break this document into its major sections and provide a summary of each section along with the key takeaways. This approach is especially useful for documents that are hundreds of pages long because it prevents important details from being overlooked. If you're trying to understand the document from a specific perspective, assign Claude a role. For example, act as a business analyst and identify the most important insights, risks, opportunities, and action items in this document. Or act as a lawyer and identify any clauses, obligations, liabilities, or potential legal concerns. Role-based prompts help Claude focus on the information that matters most to your goal. Another powerful technique is information extraction. Instead of asking for a general analysis, tell Claude exactly what you want. For example, extract all deadlines, dates, action items, decisions, and recommendations mentioned in this document. Or create a table showing all key statistics, metrics, and numerical findings. This can save hours of manual review. For technical or academic documents, you can make the content easier to understand with prompts like, explain the most important concepts in this document using simple language suitable for a beginner, or identify any technical terms and explain them with real-world examples. If you want to verify Claude's conclusions, ask it to reference the source material. A useful prompt is, for every major conclusion you make, quote the relevant section of the document that supports it. This helps you confirm that the analysis is grounded in the actual content. You can also compare information across different parts of the document by asking, identify contradictions, inconsistencies, repeated themes, and areas where different sections disagree. This is particularly useful when reviewing lengthy reports, policies, or research studies. Finally, remember that Claude retains the document context throughout the conversation. After receiving the initial analysis, continue asking follow-up questions. You might ask for deeper explanations, alternative interpretations, risk assessments, executive summaries, or implementation plans based on the document's findings. Using a workflow of summary first, section analysis second, targeted extraction third, and follow-up questioning afterward is one of the most effective ways to analyze large documents with Claude's 200K plus token capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.